Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. I'm Sabel Fortes, and if you're new here, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell button. Okay, let's start with the moisturizer. Ito yung lagi ko ginagamit under my makeup. And now here's the sunscreen I always use on top of my moisturizer. Okay, another sunscreen, and this time it's a tinted sunscreen. I use always this for my everyday use instead of foundation. Ito na yung ginagamit ko kasi it's a very lightweight. And this one is another product for my under eye. I use this to brighten up my under eye. This one another for under eye, and the purpose of this is to blur your fine lines, your deep lines all over your face that you have lines. Slough line, and then yung fine line nyo sa under eye nyo, yan. And I use this sponge just to spread the product evenly under my eye and to some part of my face. And this one is the pressed powder. I'm gonna use this as my setting powder, and then I use this brush to spread the product evenly on my face. And this one is the product from Avon. It's sculpting brow pencil, and you can use this. It's easily to apply to your brow area. Another brow product. I bought this from TikTok, and you know, I like this very much because it looks like very natural to your brow, especially to those who have less brow hair. So it added to your brow hair and it looks natural. And this one is the iMagic eye primer. I always use this underneath my eyeshadow, and it helps you to keep intact your eyeshadow, and added also for pigmentation. The under eye product, I use this to remove the excess product from my eyebrow application. Ayan. Pwede rin yan sa ibang area ng inyong face, like under eye or your mga dark spot nyo sa inyong ano. Ayan. Pwede nyo siyang i-apply minimal lang. Let's proceed. Eyeshadow. I apply this very light shade for base. Yan, spread nyo lang siya ng maayos all over your eye area. And this one, the second shade, is here in my crease. Ayan. And this the third one. Ayan, medyo darker siya. It looks like gray. Ilalagay ko naman siya dito sa area na to. Only halfway. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Ayan. To a little bit darker. And then, blend it well. Ayan, kung may tira naman siya, just apply it as your nose contour. Ayan. And this the darker one. Here, ayan, to make it a more darker. Dito siya sa outer corner ng aking eyes. Ayan, ng aking eyelid, outer corner ng aking eyelid. Ayan. And then spread. Ito naman, ilalagay ko siya dito sa inner corner ng aking eyelid. Ayan. To make it a little bit brighter. By the way guys, it's a shimmery shade. Ayan, ilalagay ko siya dyan. Ayan, ginamitan ko na siya ng finger application just to make sure na kapit yung product. And then, medyo nakulangan ako. So, ilalagay natin to dito sa gitna. Ayan. Para magkaroon siya ng shimmer. Ayan. And then, yung may sobra sa aking brush, ilalagay ko naman siya sa aking lower part ng aking waterline. Ayan. And then, ayan, nag-apply na ako ng eyeliner. And then, itong product na to, meron siya ng smudger. Ayan. It's an Aberbilena product, guys. Ayan, naglagay na rin ako sa upper part ng waterline. Just to make sure na medyo lalabas na makapal ang ating pilik mata. Ayan. Pero kung hindi naman kayo sanay sa ganitong application, do like this. Ayan. Mas safe ito. Kesa sa ganito. Kasi dito kailangan sanay ka. Or else, matutusok mo ang iyong mata. Ayan. Sanayan lang naman yan guys. Before, hindi ako sanay sa ganyan. Pero I have to make sanay myself. Kasi mas mabilis to gawin. At hindi nahahawakan ang eyeshadow. At hindi napupura. Ayan. And then, apply na rin tayo doon sa pinakamalapit sa aking pilik mata. For added volume of my eyelash. Ayan. Para ganap ang pagkaano niya, gano'n ang application. Ayan, nag-corlas na preparation of false lashes. Ayan, ito naman ang apply ko guys as my shimmery on my nose and other area of my face. You can use it here. Ayan. Chin to make your chin pop up. And then dito sa brow bone. Ayan. Ganyan guys. And then mag-apply na tayo ng blush. Ang pinili kong blush is Peach. Ayan. Shimmery din siya guys from Fashion 21. Ayan. And nakalimutan ko mag-contour. It's an Aberbilena product. Ayan, maglalagay tayo dito ng contour sa part na to and sa other area of my face. Just to make sure na hindi magmumukhang flat ang aking mukha. Lalagyan natin ng contour at shape. Buhay ang ating mukha. Kasi pag sobra naman puti ay mukha ka naman yung espasol or mukha ka naman yung ibudol. Ayan, sa mga chubby ang face, you need to do this always while doing your makeup. Para magkaroon ng shape ang inyong face at hindi magmukhang siopaw. At least may contour kayo. Ayan. Nag-apply na ako ng another set of powder. Ayan. Nilagay ko na ang aking false lashes. And then the mascara from Maybelline. Ayan. And this one is from, nilagay ko naman shimmery siya guys na eyeliner from Tebian. Ayan. Love na love ko ang shade ng Tebian. Ayan. Nag-apply na ako ng contact lens just to make sure na added to our looks na i-enhance niya ang makeup ng bawat mukha pag meron ka ng contact lens. So, ayan, another application. So, here naman ang aking lipstick, which is ayan. So, pinili ko yung darker because my eyeshadow is lighter. So, ayan, dito na tayo sa lipstick. It's from Maybelline, 24 Hours Super Stay. So, ayan na guys, may finished look. And I hope na nagustuhan nyo. Thank you for watching, guys. Happy New Year to all of you. May you all have a new, prosperous, and abundant year of 2024. So that's all for now. Please do subscribe to those who do not yet subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!